Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here, and today I am opening up a package from mountainroseherbs.com. This is not the advertisement. I am not getting paid for it. This is just the company that I'm using for getting my herbs and some other supplies for DIY products, recipes, and also for my healthcare. This company is one of the best. I've done my research. It's not the cheapest kind. It's not. But in my opinion, if you're getting something for herbs and even spices, it's very important to get the best quality product because you really need to be sure. Oh, this is actually something new. They're giving me some book of recipes. It's very, very good. So this is the receipt. Oh, and this is some magazine. I believe it's it's a magazine. Oh, and also a catalog. So you could just look through everything like here. If you're not a fan of looking everything up on the website. So I was saying that with herbs and spices, flowers, you always need to know when the product was harvested, what's the country of origin for this product, what's the expiration date, and for this purpose, I think ordering a good company with an organic option is very important. So enough talking. They have everything wrapped up here. So let me see here. This is the minty ginkgo. This is the loose leaf tea. I have never ordered the tea from Mountain Rose Herbs before, honestly. The first thing you need to know if you're new into herbs and spices, if you see the amount of 3 ounces and you think that it's not enough, look at this. It's a lot because herbs are very, very, they are light in weight, so it's pretty much enough. So if you're interested, I would definitely make a video about either, an herb separately or about the health benefits of this particular tea and, my feedback, of course. Another one is the Easy Day. I just went with the flow and felt like this is what I really need right now. But of course, it contains the herbs that I was looking forward to. Well, it contains blackberry leaf. My camera here is doing the best it can. It contains linden leaf and flower. Well, linden is something that my grandmother has even, given me. So linden leaf and flower, I've been familiar with this since my childhood, believe it or not. It has peppermint leaf, it has lemon balm, and marshmallow leaf. So it's also organic, and it's also 3 ounces. And I would say they're doing a very beautiful job on their packaging right now. It's changed. All right, guys, I am back. So the packaging is very, very good. So it took me really a while to get the things out of there. So first of all, this is just some supplies. This is the bottle that would be great for me if I mix some oil and essential oils for easy application. This is the spray bottle, so I usually use it for the toner. This is just the regular bottle. Right here, I always order everything in dark glass because it's easier just, for storage. Also, I have ordered a couple of teas here. I'm going to share with you a recipe for the lip balm, which you could either use, a tea or a lip balm tube, and also some very luxurious moisturizing creams. This is the Castile Soap. I am usually ordering some other brand, but I decided to go ahead and give it a try. It's made with organic oils. It's not a big bottle, but it will be enough for my recipes, or if I decide to just mix it with some ingredients for probably the easiest facial cleanser. Now these are the herbs and flowers that I'm ordering on a regular basis. So when you shop at Mountain Rose Herbs, the shipping is not free, so it's always very smart to get everything in bulk so you don't have to overpay for shipping. Now this is the Calendula Flowers, whole flowers. Believe it or not, it's really not simple to buy the whole flowers, so they are really of a good quality. So I would also say, let me just show you. Here on the back, they have their page from Supplement Facts, where they are telling everything about like the allergies if possible. The country of origin is Egypt, so, and it's organic. And let me just make sure, I always try to make sure, okay, it says when it was packed on, which is very good because you need to know that, flowers and herbs, the expiration, they do have an expiration, so it's important to know that. Now here I have the licorice root. Well, I need it because I'm going to prepare some tea. I will share the recipe with you. So I didn't know so this amount should be enough. So again, the same thing, and all herbs, they look so vibrant because it's very important to harvest the herbs at the right time, at the right place, so they really give you that health benefits. St. John's wort, this is one of my favorite herbs out there, and it really is an herbal supplement, as it says here. So I can also make a video about that if you're interested. Now that I know what it is, that's the nettle leaf. It's so good for overall health, especially for ladies. It's incredibly rich in calcium, so if you have kids like, 12 years old, perhaps 6 years old, if you're interested, I can give you more of the information how to give herbs to your kids and even babies. You can also make a very calcium rich tea. It's good for the women, of course, for during the menstrual cycle and even the pregnancy. So this is that. Now I have here amla powder. Well, I definitely will be making a video about that, so I will kind of let it be a surprise. That's the reason I got it. Well, I actually got it because I want to incorporate it into my diet as soon as possible, and of course to share with you all the benefits and pretty much what it is. Now I have here the raspberry leaf. Oh, the raspberry leaf. Well, this is the leaf I've first sort of figured that raspberry leaf is good for me when I was pregnant. So, well, when I'm talking about pregnancy here, don't just take my word for it. Consult your doctor, obviously, before taking any herbs to make sure that, your medication doesn't contradict really with the herbs, because herbs, it's not really a funny thing or sort of like that, because it's very powerful. It is the natural, medicine. It has medicinal properties. So raspberry leaf here, and let me see here, this austral. I am not really very much familiar with this herb. I used to try before, but not really that much. So the country, it's from Croatia, by the way, so I will be making this great recipe. And as you see, all the herbs I have also here, I have any star pods whole. Believe it or not, it's also not easy to find it, because when you go into the spice section, you could pay good like $6 for organic star pearls, but it will have like maybe 6 or 7 of them, so this is the better deal, obviously. Alright guys, so this is everything I got. I am very happy I have it right now, and as you can see that if I'm going to prepare teas, and of course Calendula Flowers is like the most important thing I'm using for my skincare, it will last a long time. So if you're not into herbs and you don't even want to, get in touch with anything like that, but you are into herbal teas, I think as an alternative you could check them out, because the best tea you could get is the one that will not be, in the tea bags. It's something whole. They have also kettles, like they have everything you might need for the best tea preparation. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to know right away about some of the herbs and flowers I have ordered, you want to know more about it, just shoot me a message. You can always send me an email. You can always subscribe to my email list, because I am providing you with some important things. You could, start communicating with me, because I'm here for you. I really feel great sharing with you everything I'm doing here, because I really want to feel that I could, help somebody out, to give a little bit of the useful information out there. So I'm not taking you any longer. Thank you very much for your attention. Please put the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button as well, get the notifications of the new videos, and I wish you all the best, and I'll see you later. Bye.